Hey everyone, Chris from Van Pals here. Figure I'd go over a quick sound dampening insulation tip. This is the front of the cab. I am going to put some sound dampening, some insulation under this guy. There's actually a lot of wind noise that happens when driving the van through this area. So I want to make sure that I do some of the sound dampening that we did and then also insulation in here because it's a pretty big space. So first things first, you got to be able to take this thing down. You can pop these guys right off the top here. So pretty simple to do that. And then you've actually got 4 screws on either side. So I've got 1, 2, and then there is a screw here that you take down. Same thing on the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you do that, you can really leverage the thing down. You can see that I've already put some sound dampening in here. I put a lot. I know that you only need about 25% coverage, but I had extra panels, so I'm gonna use it. Now I'm gonna cut a piece of Thinsulate and put it up here, and then hopefully the combination of the sound dampening and the Thinsulate will make this a much quieter ride with that wind noise up front. All right, so I'm sure you want to measure yourself, but if you don't, it's about 3 feet deep by about 4.5 feet. So I just cut, we have 5 foot long Thinsulate, so I just cut a 3-foot section. That's gonna cover some of the extra walls, things like that. So pretty sweet. Now we're gonna pop this guy back up and put the screws back in. Hopefully we'll be a bit quieter. All right, insulation sound dampening up, pretty quick, easy win, simple project. It's gonna make a big difference though, having this whole big space protected from some of that wind noise that you get while driving. All right, Van Pals out, everyone.